Hey guys, so I'll be showing you how to use the Bitcoin ATM. It's located at Airport Junction next to Tops. So what you need to have is your wallet address and the nodes. The machine only uses the nodes. So step one, it's buy Bitcoin. This is where I'm pressing. And then there are terms and conditions, accept. And then I'm going to enter my number so that I can receive a verification code. And then I received my verification code, which I'm punching in here. Submit. And then I have to scan my wallet. This is how you scan your wallet. Okay. And then it says insert a bill. Okay, finished. It says send coins. Yes.